Man, so quiet. What's up?
We got a quick picture. Of all the ranches in the foreground.
Where do you post all your pictures that you take from our hike?
I really don't post them. I guess I put them sometimes on my Facebook page.
Yeah.
I put a couple of them on the message thread. But the ones that I stopped and tried to get like a real close-up of some flower or some weed or some rock,
Yeah.
those I'm collecting for a project. I've got about, I don't know, 15 or 16 that I've, over the years, that I've kept, that I've maybe done just a tiny bit of editing, like basic photo manipulation, like just change the saturation of the color or change the contrast a little bit.
Yeah.
But I got this idea that I've been working on for years to do a photography exhibit of photos taken with my cell phone.
Yeah. Watching Ron walk cautiously. Come on, Ron, just run.
Oh boy.
It's almost it right there, fellas. And you gotta carry me back.
Yeah.
You got the roll. The trail is going around the back of that rock. There's never been over that side. It was exploring. And it would take us around and then we could come back up.
Yeah.
That way.
Man.
Gloves are supposed to,
Why, what happened?
these damn gloves are supposed to be working on the screen and they're
Oh,
not.
yeah. I have a garden gloves that's supposed to do that and it doesn't even work. You should just cut the fingers off.
Sure.
Very good. The intrepid explorer.
All right.
That's it.
The Lost Boys.
Oh yeah. Oh,
this and then come back up that way.
okay. So these guys are in bloom now.
Look at that little guy.
Yep.
Oh, that's what they look like.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
I know, right?
Yeah, I've never seen it before.
I would cut that finger. That would annoy me so much.
Actually, look noble there, Marion.
Oh.
Marion of the wood. Excellent. Yeah, there's another one over there and there.
Yeah, I've never seen it.
No, they're always just that ugly. Looks like you're gonna stab you. That thing.
Yeah.
Which
Do a
isn't
selfie
really
with
quality. It's not something you're looking for in a plant generally.
it. Yeah.
That looks like it could kill me.
Yeah.
Or
So-
use it to scour corrosion.
Yeah. Just those thorns alone look huge.
You know, that is an interesting plant. Not a ton of them in bloom. It must be just time. But I guess maybe I'm not down here in the spring usually. I don't know.
Oh, every time we were down here during rainy season, I never seen it like blossom like that.
No, it's no. That's true. It is. Maybe it's a summer plant.
Oh yeah. I know Dave wants to take it home.
It reminds me of one of those plants from Star Trek, dude. That's gonna shoot spores at you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and turns Mr. Spock
Yeah.
happy.
Yeah,
I can
right.
tell you this, Captain. For the first time in my life, I was.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Got a fun picture. All right, we're gonna go left, gentlemen.
Look at that.
We're not
Is there
going
life?
left
Is there a bug on it?
Yep, there's a bee.
Let's see if
It's right here.
There's a bee.
Yeah, right on it.
Pictures are good.
There you go.
Oh, right there.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Oh, that picture looks so good. Oh, right there, right there.
Showing his butt to me. There we go.
Dude, that's some awesome
Right.
pictures.
So here. So this is.
Oh, wow. Yeah, you guys send some of those. That one's nice. Damn, you really got in there.
Yeah, I'll send them to you on the message thread.
Yeah.
So sometimes I have to sharpen it a bit because it's just at that close range. Sometimes there's no depth of field.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Tiny little bit that's in focus and everything else is out of focus.
Yeah.
But, and then sometimes what I can do is if it's clear enough, like the ones that were a little further away,
Yeah.
I can zoom in and it doesn't get pixelated yet.
Yeah.
So it's good enough to blow up. What I need to have is at least 11 by 14. If I can get 16 by 20, that's even better. Oh wow, that's a nice
Wow,
one.
that one's perfect.
And another bee.
Is there another bee? How am I not seeing the bee? Because I'm not wearing my glass. I can't fucking see anything. I can see purple. I see fuzzy purple things and fuzzy.
You're like, there's something in the way. It's like, dude, it's a bee. See, what's that? Morgan Freeman, the voiceover.
Here in nature, you see.
Yeah. You see Dave working on his iPhone, trying to get the perfect shot.
Did he get it?
Yeah.
No one knows.
Yeah.
They were eaten by a mountain lion shortly after the picture was taken.
Yeah, right. The last video. the last picture taken before.
Here's a picture from inside the mountain lion.
Yeah, that'd be my camera.
It was retrieved from iPhotos.
Yeah. It's like this guy actually videotaped himself getting eaten up. It's like, I'm doing it for the views, guys. You know, I'm really surprised that we haven't really come across any wildlife other than that dog.
The dog doesn't count.
Remember that dog?
Oh, that was weird.
Hi, guys.
Yeah.
Please help save my owner.
I know, right? Dude, I'm telling you, that thing still haunts me. It's like, never in our mind did it come across like maybe his owner's like hurt.
Yeah.
Maybe here for help.
Yeah. See, that's how long, that's you know that you've been retired for so long that you forget that you're supposed to save lives, you know?
Stupid random dog in a weird place.
Yeah.
All right, we have never gone this way before.
Oh, look at that.
This is new.
Look at those boulders.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, yeah, right.
So looks like this will go around the boulders and then we'll make a right back, because otherwise we'll just keep going the other way. We don't necessarily want to do that.
Oh,
We
yeah.
can do that. But we're not. Not make it too difficult for us on the first time there. Although it would make my son feel guilty if I died at it. It's almost worth it.
It's like I could have saved him. I could have saved Dad.
I told you one day this would happen, son.
I know, right? I probably asked him, do you have any fighting skills at all? No, but I could scream. Yeah, I saw that one video of a hiker that came across his path, and he started shaking his backpack, and he had those tin cups,
Oh,
and apparently it worked because it scared the shit out of the bear.
that's interesting. Thank God we don't have bears out here.
Oh, I know.
I mean, we have the random mountain lion, which is unlikely to attack three of us. One of us, yes, three of us now. The coyotes, which avoid us like we're the plague.
Yeah.
Rattlesnakes are probably the biggest threat we have out here.
Yeah.
And as a group, we've never seen any. Tom and I have, from the before time.
What'd you guys come across?
Rattlesnakes.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, they're out here.
Yeah.
But it's surprising that we haven't seen any. Yeah, we're gonna go, like I said, move around. We just never done it, so I thought it'd be fun to do.
All right.
Something new, different perspective.
You know the one thing I hate about the videos of snakes? They always do it in slow motion, like they're like soft and innocent, you know, just. But when you see it in real life, that thing's fast as fuck.
Yeah, they're very quick. Also, with modern rattlesnakes, you
Yeah,
have to be careful because they don't always rattle.
yeah,
It's something new they've adopted.
yeah.
So it's just gonna bite you. No warning. You're just like, what's the,
Yeah.
oh, I'm gonna die.
Yeah. It just, to me, I'm amazed on how fast they could slither across the land, you know? Because I know in Yuma we came across some. Oh my God.
Well, we have options here. We go around or through.
Oh, we're going through.
Can we go through?
Oh yeah.
Come down.
Haven't we come this way from the other direction? I can't remember that pole.
There's a lot of those though.
Oh.
Yeah, there's several of that. What
Yeah.
did they do when there's probably used to have a thing on it that said no trespassing, U.S. government.
Yeah.
Then people like us said, fuck you.
Yeah. I'd be like, this sign looks familiar.
They'll recognize your signs, like the signs over there.
Yeah.
Satellite view of where we're at.
Remember that empty riverbank?
Yes, yeah, with the
With-
cars.
yeah.
And then across the bay, and then we all have a picture next to the sign saying, don't come here.
Yeah.
And then we went there.
Yeah.
Do not enter. So we're entering
Yeah.
the Do you know their location here?
Look, we're contrarian people. We see that. We're obligated to have it. We can't even stop ourselves.
I know, right? It's like
Okay.
it's like a dare.
Rocks mean snakes, though.
The
So.
trail that we're on here doesn't even show on the satellite image.
Oh, really?
I mean, barely can you see this.
You said rocks equal snakes, or what?
Yeah, so if we go through there, we can go through there. I'm tempted to go through there now.
Let's do it.
That's empty. This will, well, either will our own demise, of course, but it's probably better views.
Oh yeah. You ready, Dave?
Just watch your feet. I'll go first, so if I get bit, don't follow me.
I'll let Dave suck it out.
And please call 911. Actually, Marion, I'm gonna hand the camera. I'm gonna go up on a rock there.
Yeah.
Ideally, not get bit by the snake.
There's something in there.
Coyote.
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 Yeah.
All right, let me get that pose, man. The famous pose. Let me do one this way.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh,
Yeah, that was too big to be a bird.
Where's it at?
It went that way.
Oh.
Yeah, we
Probably recognized that was a Filipino and like, oh no.
He's gonna
Not
eat
this
me.
guy.
He's gonna eat me.
Yeah, this guy ain't scared of me. He actually wants to eat me.
Here, you guys kind
Hey, you want me to take a picture of you, Dave?
yeah, please.
Yeah.
scramble up onto that.
Yeah.
Nothing like a good rock picture.
Yeah. Just don't die. Because I got my camera on.
Oh,
I'm going to.
Don't die, I have my camera on.
Yeah, all right.
Hear the words you're saying when you say them.
I don't see any snakes. So I thought
All right.
Excellent,
we're
excellent.
safe.
Hold on, let me zoom in. Oh, perfect.
Good angle.
All right, hold on, one more.
That would be the aerial support coming in.
All right, do a Ron pose.
Ron pose.
Yeah, both sticks up. There you go. We're gonna make that a shirt.
There we go.
Now, this is all new for us. Mike's been here.
Guys walking in the woods.
I know, right? These guys are asking for it.
The bikes have been through here recently, so
Oh, yeah.
not just us. And these are pretty neat tracks.
Huh.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, man, did you want a picture of you doing
Nah, no.
It's like the hot gates too.
something silly?
More rocks. Don't step on a snake, then pay attention. Now that used to be a something.
Oh, some wood.
Sorry. It looks like they were kind of marking off the trail.
Oh,
It
yeah.
looks like they were doing that.
Yeah.
Speculating. There's another pole.
Oh, yeah. From the
Series of poles. From this edition of poles in the rover.